Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make green papaya salad. We got this inspiration once when we visited a Laos restaurant and we had that green papaya salad which was so tasty and yummy, and so we thought we will try it at home and share it with you guys. So for this, the ingredients are: I've taken half green papaya, 1 tomato which I have sliced, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. If you don't have fish sauce, you can always opt in for soya sauce, 1 tablespoon roasted dry shrimp, 1 tablespoon roasted peanuts, 1 tablespoon of tamarind pulp, 2 tablespoons of palm sugar, 3 green chilies, 3 cloves garlic, half a lemon. First, we are going to slice the green papaya. You can always use a grater, but I'm going to try it this way. You can also try it. So we are going to poke it into papaya like this. And then try to slice it up. So that way it comes like the grated one. I have now sliced the green papaya. Now I am going to put it into ice water. That's because it makes the papaya more crispier. And leave it there for 15 minutes. The next step is I'm going to make a dressing for the papaya salad. For that I have taken a mortar and pestle. First I'm going to add in the garlic and green chili and crush it. After crushing the garlic and chili, I'm going to add in the palm sugar and give it a little bit of crush. Next, I'm going to add in the roasted dry shrimp and give it a crush. And then I'm going to add in the roasted dry peanuts. I'm going to give it a crush, but I'm not going to crush it very fine. Now I'm going to add in the fish sauce, the tamarind paste, and mix it well. Next, I'm going to squeeze in the lemon, and I'm going to leave the skin inside. And give it a small crush. After 15 minutes, I have drained the papaya from the cold water. I'm going to put it into a bigger bowl. Now I'm going to add in the sliced tomatoes, and to this I'm adding in the dressing which we have prepared, and mix it well. First I'm going to mix it. Now I'm going to give it a little bit of crush, not too much, just a little bit, so that everything can get mixed together. You can add salt if you want, but I'm not going to add. After crushing for a little while, I'm just going to take out the lemon skin. And mix it well. Now your tasty and healthy papaya salad is ready. Now your healthy, delicious papaya salad is ready. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and enjoy our recipe. Thank you.